I don't know, I kind of want to do some hydrangeas. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 of these. Cheesecake cones. That's a big bag. These look super good. I'm gonna try these.
Look good too.
Yeah, that looks good too. I'm gonna put these in the basket. If y'all have never tried these, y'all really should. They're like the perfect chicken for a meal prep. Okay, what else do we need? They don't have the original kind, so we're gonna try the strawberry. Yeah, we might as well get that too. We just tried this rice, it is so good. So that is what we're having for dinner tonight. We got the goods. Hey y'all, so I'm back home and I'm hungry, so let's make something to eat. So I'm gonna do a bagel, which I'm gonna toast, and then do some scrambled eggs and avocado on top. Usually I cook my avocado, but I think today I'm just gonna spread it over the bagel instead of sauteing it. Perfect. So for the avocado, I just kind of scoop it out and then I spread it on the bagel and add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I think I'm gonna add some cheese on these too. So I fried my eggs crispy and then I added some cheddar cheese. I made 2 of them, so there's one for me and one for Tyrese. Oakley wants some so bad. Sorry, stink. I'm pretty sure dogs are allergic to avocado. I'll give him a little piece of egg. So I picked up this lychee sparkling beverage from Trader Joe's. Honestly, I've never had it, but I don't know, the can just looked cute. So we're gonna see if it's good. I would rate this a 7 out of 10. So for this week's flowers, I ended up getting white hydrangeas. And then I'm gonna put them in this black vase here. All I have to do is cut the stems, fill it with some water, and then put this little flower food in. And then it should last me about a week or so. Look how pretty. So I'm probably gonna cut them to about here. These are 3 stems and look how full it is. All right, now we're gonna add our flower food. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. So this is how it turned out. Too cute. I just think the flowers need to sit in the water for a little bit longer just to open up a little bit more. But yeah, I love it. Hey, also, it's a little bit later in the day and I have a few errands that I want to run, but before we start running errands, there's this place that I want to try. They sell different teas and stuff. I've been wanting to get into matcha, so that's what we're going to try today. The place is called Boba Pop Tea Bar, and they have a few different locations, but we're going to be going to the one in Raleigh. So yeah, hopefully it's good. So I ended up getting the strawberry matcha latte, and Tyrese got some type of caramel milk tea, I think. So we're gonna see how it tastes. I don't think I like matcha, y'all. I like the strawberry, but the actual matcha, I don't know. Maybe I just need to keep drinking it. Okay, y'all, I think I just had to mix it up a little bit more. Hey y'all, so I'm back home now. I'm pretty much just gonna be winding down for the rest of the night, but I do want to show y'all this book that I'm gonna be reading. So this book is called Their Eyes Were Watching God. I haven't really gotten far in the book at all. I'm still in chapter 1, but I'm just going to read y'all a summary of what it's about. Their Eyes Were Watching God is an enduring Southern love story sparkling with wit, beauty, and heartfelt wisdom. Told in the captivating voice of a woman who refuses to live in sorrow, bitterness, fear, or foolish romantic dreams. It is a story of fair-skinned, fiercely independent Janie Crawford. And then it continues on to say, perhaps it is the most widely read and highly regarded novel in the entire canon of African American literature. It also says it is the prototypical black novel of affirmation. It is the most successful, convincing, and exemplary novel of black love that we have. So in summary, this is like a Southern love story slash self-discovery book, and the main character's name is Janie. I know that there's also a movie on this that I'm actually about to see where it's streaming, because I want to watch the movie after I read the book. Yeah, so the movie came out in 2005. It has Halle Berry in it, of course. I have to watch it now. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing for the rest of the night.